the pet room. David Bradley here. I found a tape. Putting it in. Rewound it. I believe this said something about bulls and bears. No, it doesn't actually say Commodore on it. But I would like to think that as this was in a large collection of Commodore things, that indeed it is for the Commodore PET. But bulls and bears, loading. I've never heard of this. I've never seen this. I'm intrigued. I wonder if it is some financial thing. Is it a bear market or a bull market? Or is it a game? I don't know. I just don't know. Here we are, hearing the delicate sound of a tape deck spinning. Delicate. Anyway. So far, we've had pretty good success with these tapes. We'll see how it goes. We shall. Just think, probably 1978, so 46 years ago, somebody wrote this, or maybe 47 years ago, because of course they write it and perfect it, and do whatever, and then figure, yeah, we're going to sell this. And get it all figured out. And this tape was not handwritten. It didn't have a handwritten label. It was actually printed on the cassette. It was the name of the company, the name of the program. So that took some more added to the cost, etc., etc., etc. It did look like a rather long tape, but knowing that this is just an 8K machine with 7,160, 67 bytes free, how much could it be? I will press stop. Don't like having the thing sitting there because I think it maybe, I don't know. I think it just doesn't. Of course, if the machine gets turned on and off, then it'll just sit there and play. Oh, yeah. Okay. Speakeasy Software, Bulls and Bears, a game of corporate finance. Kentville, Ontario. Number of players. 1. I always ask this. Oops. Which I suppose, if there's more than one player, it would be more. Okay. What do we got? Game hint. Avoid letting other players see your cash or holdings. This will aid. Do you want your cash balance? No. No. Yes. $10,000. Okay. Refuse. Buy or sell stock. I want to sell. Oops. Oh. Yes. For what company? Sell. do that. You do not. Oh. Yes. What did I do wrong there? Stock fraud discovered. Wall Street in a panic. The mafia has been issuing false stock for years. Players use $10,000 cash. Oh dear. Yes. Oh, and 40,000. Do you want your shareholdings? Yes. The final value of shares is 0. Give the bank 0. I have no shares. No. Do you want to buy or sell? Yes. Undo number 2. Buy. Okay. Alright, I got 5,000. Stock purchase complete. No. Yes. Do you want to buy protection units at 10,000 each? Sure. No. No. Yes. Uh-oh. Do you want your cash balance? Yes. Do you want your shareholding? Yes. Your total value of shares is 20,000. Your net worth is 30,000. Do you want to borrow? No. Alright, I'm going to sell. Oh, sorry. Yes. Yes. 2. Sell. Okay. Sure. I will do 15,000. Oh, what do you mean? Choose. What did I do? No. No. Do you want to buy production units at 10,000 each? Yes. Oops. Yes. Yes, I do. Alright, let's say 5. No. Oops. Yes. Ooh, we made money. Do you want your cash balance? Yes. Your cash balance is 10,000. Do you want your shareholdings? Yes. No. We're going to sell. Buy. Sell. Oh, yes. 2. Sorry. Sell. Bid 14 production units. 6. I'm going to sell 1,000. count. 14,000. Okay. No. No. Do you want to sell production units? No. Do you want to buy production units? Yes. 6. No. So I'm getting the idea here that basically I'm doing things here. 24,000. Do you want your shareholding? I have 4,000 shares. Buy it at 60,000. No. So basically, I got more production things, and the value went up. No. Do you want to sell production units? That could be trouble. No. Wrong key. No. Continue game. Oh my. Do you want the cash balance? Yes. The cash balance. Do you want your shareholdings? Yes. It's gone way up. I have 4,000 shares. Do you want to borrow? No. Yes, I want to sell. 2. Sell. 4. Woohoo, I have $136,000. No. Game to continue. No. So there, I end up with $160,000. Cool. All right, well, I'm going to, just because I can, I'm going to list the program. A lot of very full lines here. I suspect that this took a lot of memory. You can always tell when they really squeeze things onto a line. I'm going to try and find one here. When it goes over the 80 characters, because they would have used short forms. Maybe I don't see any of those. Maybe that's just when it's going over into the second line. Let's see if I can see. No, maybe not. No, it's just gone over into the second line. Oh, there's one. 1,005. It's longer than 80, but it really isn't, because they would have used short forms, and the short forms stretch out. And that's it. That's all. Alright, well, we're here just for fun. Load. I'm going to press play and we'll see if there's anything else after this one here. You never know. It snuck on another copy or some other something, some surprise. You just never know. So far, the answer is no. I'm going to grab a bag. Yum. So far. And there does seem to be nothing else coming up. So I will press Stop. And then rewind. Because I am kind. Oh, I just gonked the thing. Don't do that. Alright. Take the tape out of the dataset. Put it in a box. Put it in a little bag. The reason I'm putting it in bags is, see, these things, they're all originals. I don't want to be writing more stuff on the tape. I will write on the bag. I'll put it in the pile, and eventually they will get put away. And you know what? I may start to sell such things. Anyway, so that, you want to see the program go away? New. I want to press list. It's all gone. Gone. Anyway, thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. We'll see you again back in the pet room. Bye for now.